Today I'm going to show you how you can change your engine oil and filter on this GMC Safari, which is identical to the Chevy Astron van. The first thing you'll need to do is raise the vehicle so you can get underneath it so you can gain access to the oil filter and engine oil drain plug. Now you're at the back of the motor on the driver's side. You have your oil filter here on the driver's side and you have your oil drain plug here towards the passenger side. We're just going to go ahead, loosen this up. This is a 13 millimeter. And we're still letting the engine oil pan drain, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove the oil filter. And clean the surface that the oil filter is going to be spinning back onto. Then we're going to rub some new oil on the oil seal on the filter so that it spins on nicely and the oil seal doesn't get damaged from the friction of rubbing on metal. Now we're going to put our drain plug back on, and we just put a new little washer here, this little rubber grommet. If you don't have one, you can typically reuse these for multiple oil changes, but we picked one up, so we're going to go ahead and replace it. And we're going to put it on. And that's good. So now that's on, we'll go ahead, lower the car back down, top it off with engine oil. Now we're at the top of the motor. You're looking at it from the driver's side front. And we're going to go ahead and top off our engine oil. Now we're over on the passenger side of the front of the motor, and we'll just check our dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and then check it again. So we can see that we're above the full line, above the max line. The engine has not started yet, but I just wanted to make sure that we had plenty of oil that was registering on the dipstick before I started the engine. So now I'll go ahead, remove my funnel, reattach my oil fill cap, and start the engine. Now that we've let the engine run and idle and get up to operating temp, we'll go ahead and recheck the engine oil level. And we look like we're just above the max line, so I'm happy with that. There's a little bit of an angle on this lift from where I'm jacking it from, so I'm happy with that. So now we'll go ahead, double check, make sure we've got no leaks underneath the car. We already know that our oil is full, and we'll go on and take this thing for a ride. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, happy motoring.